what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to monetize a track on SoundCloud. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy YON WORLD. Now, I'm making this video because on my previous SoundCloud monetization videos, in the comments, a lot of people was asking me, Yon, how you monetize a track on SoundCloud? How you monetize tracks you already got? And in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to monetize a track. I'm gonna upload a track and monetize it for y'all so y'all can see the process of it. So make sure y'all go ahead, get this video to 1,000 likes, man. I'm about to show y'all some helpful information. If you're a content creator, you create music, and these things you want to know when you want to monetize and make money on the internet. First thing first, you want to already have your song recorded. That's the first thing you need. We about to go ahead and upload my song. I just made this song on the 3rd. It's called Pain, Yon World Pain. Make sure y'all go check that out. But just made this song on the 3rd. Uploaded it to Apple through DistroKid. That's what you also have to do. You have to upload your song on a major platform. Now, if you don't want to use DistroKid, I recommend you use DistroKid. You can go directly and upload on every platform with SoundCloud, but I use DistroKid. So next thing you want to do is upload the image. So we upload the image. We select the genre, hip hop, rap. Additional tags, Yon World Pain, Yon World Pain, hot new hit, hot Detroit. Just a couple tags, then you add a description. New single, Pain by Yon World. Alright. And then you see these 4 tabs across the top. So the next tab you need to go to is the metadata. And in order to monetize a track on SoundCloud, you need an ISRC number. And what this is the International Standard Recording Code. And it identifies the track. In order to get this, you have to first upload a track on DistroKid. I recommend DistroKid because you can upload as many tracks as you want, and it's only like $20 or something low. And compared to like other platforms like TuneCore or CD Baby, this is the best one. They give you 100% of your money, and you can upload the same day. Like when I uploaded this on June 7th, it was on Apple Music on June 7th. So if you that type of artist where you get inspired action and you just like to create and you want to drop it and monetize it in the best way possible, I recommend DistroKid. But when you sign up for DistroKid, you upload your song. You're gonna have an ISRC number, and then we put that right. Oh shit! Put that right there, and then I'm gonna come back and edit the buy links and stuff. But you want to fill out all of this, it just help the it help your search results. It help people find it. It help Google give you a better presence. Y'all should check me out on Google, Yon World. And you see this on the right hand side. You want that as an artist. You want all of this to link up. So, all right, set that, save, enter artist, Yon World. And then let me show you the monetization. See, monetization is automatic, save, and it's posted. Damn, I don't want the time and date in that though. But you see it's posted. And let's go to my profile, Yon World. Now it's posted and it's monetized, you know. And if you got a track on here already and you want to monetize it, this is what you do. You just go to more, you click right on the track, right under in the more, edit track, and then you go to monetization right here. But make sure you got a ISRC code, uh, your monetization rights everywhere. You know you want all the money. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure y'all go on my motherfucking SoundCloud and follow me. Everybody talk about like how you get all them plays on this and you ain't got all them followers. People like the song. Like you gotta have a good song too. Like you can't just upload what everybody else talking about. If you listen to my music for real, I'm not talking about what everybody else talking about. Like my music got substance. It's deep. My music gonna be timeless. Like people gonna wake up on my music 5 years from now, like, dang, he was talking about that then. Like, yeah, motherfucker. We know about this. So yeah, make sure y'all go check out Yon World, see what he about. But it's your boy. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all of that. We out. Peace.